Greetings, fellow gardening enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of dianthiflora alsobia, a plant that's sure to enchant you with its unique qualities. Native to the lush rainforests of Central and South America, this plant has a rich history intertwined with its natural habitat. Its botanical name, Alsobia dianthiflora, reflects its dianthus-like flowers, reminiscent of delicate carnations. The dianthiflora alsobia, also known as the lace flower vine, is a true marvel of nature. Its dainty white, star-shaped flowers with intricate lace-like patterns are a sight to behold. The heart-shaped leaves add to its charm, making it a beloved choice for both indoor and outdoor gardens. This plant flourishes in bright, indirect light, making it an excellent candidate for indoor spaces with filtered sunlight. A well-draining soil mix and regular watering to keep the soil slightly moist are essential for its well-being. Its trailing nature makes it a perfect companion for other vining plants, like pothos or Hoya. Together, they create a lush and dynamic visual display that's sure to impress. Dianthiflora alsobia isn't just a feast for the eyes, it offers practical uses too. Its graceful presence makes it an excellent candidate for hanging baskets or adorning trellises. Beyond its ornamental appeal, this plant can contribute to improved indoor air quality, helping to create a healthier living environment. And there you have it, the captivating world of Dianthiflora alsobia. Let its rich history and intricate beauty inspire you as you nurture this exquisite plant in your own gardening endeavors. To stay connected with more insights into gardening, farming, and the diverse world of living organisms, be sure to subscribe to our channels.